to leave to Mezzana for 2 days hackathon in Alpine. And there is a challenge providers, teachers, mentors with the students. They try to find a solution for Alpine smart working challenge.
Hello, I'm Marcos and I'm from Spain.
Hi, I'm Anna and I'm from Spain too.
Hi, I'm Edvinas from Lithuania. I'm from Stavanger, Norway.
Tim from Stavanger.
Jonathan from the United States, and I work for the University of Trento.
David from Portugal.
Hi, my name is Rafael and I'm from Portugal.
I'm also the part of this challenge, and I'm here in this beautiful place. We just covered with beautiful mountains, and this environment is serene. The place is beautiful. The University of Trento, it is amazing, and I'm really excited to start this journey of exploring the new things and complete this challenge.
Here we are in Trento with students from across ECIU universities meeting for an exciting city tour with Jonathan, our lovely American guide. Also speaks wonderful Italian. We just had a tour of the University of Trento library, one of 5 libraries we learned. From Francesca, gave us a very nice presentation with some videos about the region and the city and the university. And now Jonathan is showing us around the campus, around the area near the university, and we will see the city as well.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited, yeah. It's a beautiful place to be. The weather is nice, having a good time, and later we will take the train to Mezzana and we'll be up in the mountains. But already here you can see some kind of foothills of the mountains, which is really nice. It's beautiful scenery. The food was really nice last night. The wine was good, so I'm happy.
Visiting the city center with Jonathan, our guide, and we just passed by the university and the library and everything, and well, you guys can see it's everything really modern and beautiful. And very international too. We're kind of everybody is from a different European or international place. It's really beautiful. I really recommend you to come here.
Anna, tell me about this Alpine Smart Working Challenge. What do you think about this?
Okay, so what's the Alpine Smart Working Challenge? We're kind of looking to attract people, digital nomads and students and workers, freelancers, everyone to come here to Trento and their surroundings to enjoy the beautiful place, nice people, and to kind of work here in our co-working spaces and to enjoy life here.
Walking through the market that they have every Thursday morning. To my right is the sociology department. If you want to show them the front of the building, it's right here. So that's the sociology department at the University of Trento, and now we're on our way to Piazza Duomo.
doing just fine before I saw you. Got into my head. I just wanna move on, but it ain't easy. 'Cause babe, I didn't want it to when days go by. You on my mind, how do I shut my feelings out? 'Cause baby, we were so close, days go by. You left me behind, there's no turning back now. I'm getting over you, I choose me over you, I'm getting over you. I'm getting over you.
Okay guys, so I'm here in this beautiful place which is really beautiful. I can't tell you exactly what it looks like, but that is why I have bring this camera with me to show you the place around. The places around you, these are the really beautiful places. This is the nature which Allah has created for us. We should explore the beautiful nature. We should be thankful to Allah Almighty for this beautiful space that we are living in. I was not expecting Trento to be this beautiful, but this place, it is amazing. It is amazing.